Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and how to treat our pool man. You guys, I hope you had a great weekend. We're here at Lynn Duck Field, and before I get started, I wanted to talk about that last pool. I let him go. The guy actually, when I went over there to rescue him, the guy had anyway, I don't even need to tell you what he had done, but the point is that he had screwed up his pool, and then I was like, oh yeah, sure, I'll come over and help you out. And then he minimized everything I did. He actually said he was from a different country, so English was probably his second language, and he's just like, what you do is no big deal, is what he said, to quote him. And I said, well, then it sounds like you don't need a pool guy. So I immediately took my loaner cleaner, which I had loaned him for nothing. I took it, and I won't be seeing him anymore. Anyway, moving on. I just want to tell you one of the ways I live my life. A man much wiser than me once taught me, a man who lives by principles has all his decisions made for him. And I feel like I embody that now. Not always, but it's taken a while. I'm a better person today than I was 10 years ago. That's for dang sure. That being said, treat others kindly, alleviate suffering, and that is what we're all here for in life. Okay, so moving on. I'm going to have to tell some 90 here for the first time. We were creeping up on cyaniuric, so we didn't add a tab last week. We added liquid, and yeah, the pool's looking pretty dirty. So I'm going to put the head cam on, and we'll get to work for you. All right, so this is nice to see. We have plenty of chemicals here, plenty of chlorine, low pH, alkalinity, and cyaniuric is good. Cyaniuric is high, but we still have plenty of chemicals, right? So I'm gonna let it ride. Yay, I love that. We're supposed to start a warming trend here in San Diego County, and so today we're gonna have a high of about 78 here in Escondido, and by the week's end should be about 90. So yeah, summer is really ramping up. So I'll skim everything off, and now we have to empty our leaf canister. 3. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna hit the tile. Okay. Now we're gonna tell some 90. Some of these things on the bottom, I don't really remember them being there. I remember the staining being always over there, but not this stuff. Okay. Okay, I feel very good about this. Actually, the pool is looking really good, and the Zodiac MX6 had, I don't know, some sort of palm frond stuck at him, but he's working again. I hit the tile, we're cleaned up and chemmed up, and we can move on. Okay, we're here at stop 2 on Monday, the Carefree Kidney Bean, and I just set off the dog alarm. There's a lot of pollen and a lot of eucalyptus leaves. We have, I don't know, 1.5 to a 2 here on the chlorine, and yeah, high pH, someone's been swimming. Alkalinity and cyanuric are good. Now, cyanuric is still in the ideal range and good. So I think we can add one this week, but we do, you know, have liquid and whatever. Anyway, we're just getting into the swing of summer. Okay, I feel good about this. It's an easy pool to feel good about. The Carefree Kidney Bean is this pool's name, and yeah, it's an apt description. Anyway, I just cleaned it up, brushed it, I Telsa 90'd the spa, and I took a palm frond out of the 2-wheel drive Hayward pool cleaner. But we're ready to go, and we can move on. Okay, we're here at the project pool, and yeah, I did not film at the Obsession pool. For some reason, the last couple of weeks, the homeowner seems to let the dogs out like when I get there, and they bark like the whole time. So I know you guys aren't watching to hear dogs barking, and frankly, if I can't cut them off, then I'm not gonna film there. Might have to talk to the homeowner about that. I think it's pretty damn rude, and completely unnecessary. Like, how am I gonna, you think I should be able to do my job? Like, there's no dogs barking here. They can do it, and they have 2 dogs here. Whatever. Anyway, guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. You guys be excellent to each other and be excellent to your pool man. I'll see you on the next video.